Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn how we can get content ideas for our YouTube channel. So YouTube channel is also a very popular platform for online earning, and definitely it will give you a great business around. So here let's see how we can get a content creation idea from YouTube. So for example, if we have a channel related to online earning, we can type here online earning, enter, and now you can see that on the top you will have some videos over here. Definitely I am here in Pakistan, so you can see that most videos are in Urdu and for Pakistani people. Okay, so anyhow, in Pakistan you can see that these videos are mostly popular. But here we have a nice thing on the right side, filter. So let's click here and we will just search the channels. Okay, so here you can see in the types we have the channel. So let's click on channel, and now you can see that we have some popular channels. Although you can see that these channels have 994 subscribers related to online money, online earning keyword. Okay, and then we have the 907 and not very much popular channels, but this one is quite good. You can see learning and earning with Anjum Iqbal. Okay, so let's click on this. It has quite good subscribers. Okay, and let's see now that what type of content we can create. So let's go to the videos, and inside the videos we have the filter thing. Okay, and I think on the home page, let's go to the home page, and we'll just go here, and where is the filter thing? In the videos section. Okay, and yeah, and then we have all the videos over here, but unfortunately there should be a filter, but for this specific yeah, here you can see these filter is now and the oldest filter. So we'll just click on popular, and popular will actually show us the most popular videos on this channel. Okay, and definitely if you want to find out the latest videos, then you can click on latest, but unfortunately there is no option for finding out the latest and most popular videos. In old days there was a filter here which by which we can actually select the newer and the popular videos. Anyhow, now here on the popular videos you can see that these videos are not too much old videos, but definitely 9 months ago or 8 months ago video or 1 year ago video are quite older video, and that may not be targeted in current days. So we will find out the videos which are actually closer enough. So here you can see we have 4-month video, that is we can target this video content right nowadays. So here you can see that this is also 4 months ago video. So here you can see how to earn from Love Network. So this is a video. So this is video related to specific platform. Love Network is a platform, and here you can see Easy Paisa, Jazz Cash, PayPal app, online earning without investment. So this is a video which we can actually target as well. So if we click on this video, you can see that we will find out the a title, and definitely we will not copy and paste everything and the video content. We have to create our own content, and we will create our own custom title, etc. But we can just fluctuate and we can target the this actually the title thing, okay, this search term. So here we will just copy this, and here in the search we will just paste this link, and again we will search for this specific term. So now you can see that for this specific term we will get some videos, and you can see that these videos are from the similar channel, and again you can see, and if you find out more views for certain videos, then on the top I think this one is for the more views, this 250. So we can actually open this video, and then we can actually get we have actually reached out an idea for creating a video on this specific topic. So this is a way by which you can actually find out the YouTube content. There are a lot of other ways as well, but I just shared the simplest way for the YouTube video content. That's it for this video. Next video, move further. Goodbye.